Hi everyone, I will introduce our project, Nexus Intelligence. This system can mainly allow users to have conversation with their PDFs and others format like docs or TST. Okay. Nexus Intelligence is a system that utilizes a knowledge base to generate content and answer questions. It is capable of interacting with enterprise data and consumerized AI to provide accurate and relevant responses. The system also allows for precise control over the knowledge base, ensuring in context and useful information. Actually, this is a to-C product for individual user and enterprise as well. Okay, this is our dev team: Edward, Greyward, and Jordan, Ozen, Pi, Patrick, Russell, and Scott. This is our features and project plan. The first feature is chat, and another is document management. And the third part is organization management. And the fourth is plans, and the last is payment. Okay, I'm going to introduce the feature chat, and and the first is a course correction QA, and the next is a file level precision, and the next is the PDF preview, and we will add some features about the docs and TSD support, citation highlight, and for the check history, we will add some feature about the selection tracking and fusion filtering. This is our chat page. And the next is document management. The left side is our documents management UI, and we will add some new feature in the document, including delete file and the tag management and the document preview, and fix some bugs on the document management. And the next feature is organization management. Yeah, we can add some new feature. We will add some new feature like invite and remove member in the organization account, and then access management. Yeah. Okay, the next part I'm going to let my teammate Scott to explain.
Russell, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Russell. Good evening, everyone. My name is Scott. I will be taking over from Russell for the rest of our presentation. I'll continue with the last two features, plan payment, which are also the features me and Pi are responsible to develop. Our proposed plan has two categories, individuals and teams. Within each category, there are 4 different tiers characterized by the resources the customer will have access to. For example, a newly registered user will have a default free plan, including 10 megabytes of cloud storage for documents and 10 AI credits for asking questions. Of course, if a customer can opt to a higher tier, such as silver or gold, if needed, they will have more storage and credits. The pricing structure for the teams is very similar, except that there is no free plan, and members in the team can share the resource. There is also a tier called Enterprise, but the specific items for this one is yet to be decided. Our plan will have another option called add-ons. This is for one-time topping up the AI credits, so the customers can increase their credits on top of the monthly subscription. Next page, please. So the technology we use for handling the payment is called Stripe. It is a very user-friendly and powerful platform. Stripe offers flexible payment methods and subscription management. So what we are doing so far is on the plan page, there will be a checkout button to direct user to a checkout form pre-built by Stripe. Customers can fill in their financial information there and finish their payment. Once the payment is successful, it will be routed back to our website. All the subscriptions are handled in a pro-rata manner, meaning any service can be canceled or resubscribed at any time. The customer will be fairly charged without overpaying or wasting any unused subscription or resource. Next page, please. This slide is about ERD, which is short for Entity Relationship Diagram. For those of you who have encountered with a relational database, probably all of us here, it summarizes the relationship among different entities in the database, which is PostgreSQL in our case. I won't go through too many details in this slide, but in a very broad sense, all schemas here are designed in a way such that the data from all the features just proposed by Russell and me can be created, read, updated, and deleted in a logical and sensible manner. Next page, please. Last but not least, I would like to talk about the tech stack we're using for the development from left to right. We use Tailwind, Radix, and ShadeCN for UI, AutoAnimate, and Frame Motion for animation. These stacks equips us with many predefined classes, pre-built components, elegant theming, and smooth transitions to ensure customers to have a seamless and satisfying user experience. On the right, we use Next.js to create applications. One of the reasons is to explore the pre-rendering it offers to us. Therefore, our website can be more performant. NextAuth is to deliver an easier and secure authentication process, such as SSO, single sign-on, meaning users can use Google, Facebook, or other popular social network accounts to sign up and log in. At the bottom is Prisma. Prisma is ORM, Object Relational Mapping, allowing us, developers, to safely read and write data into database from the backend. The next is TPRC, which is also a framework for developers, allows us to easily use TypeScript to link the backend to the front end. The next part is Jota, an atomic-based state management for React. It is easy to implement. Also, some unnecessary re-renders will be automatically eliminated. There is an asterisk next to Jota and Framer Motion. It probably means that we will not be using it right now, but it is definitely in the scope of future discussion. And our database is, like I already mentioned, is PostgreSQL because it is robust and scalable. Finally, we utilize VIA test and jest for thorough testing before our application is deployed. This concludes our proposal for Nexus Intelligence at this stage. Any changes to this proposal will be continuously integrated and deployed in the future. Thank you.